Hey guys, we're working on the 2023 Skidoo Expedition. We found a little problem. The headlights don't work very well. We've been using these machines after dark a little bit and not a good situation. These are the low beams. You can see kind of yellowish light. Hard to tell off of the insulation, but the light is a little yellowish, and I would say that is a little on the low side. We'll switch to the high beams, and definitely better and definitely brighter, but it's still fairly low, and when we go down the lake you can outrun your headlights. First thing we can do is adjust the headlights a little bit. To get at the headlights, it should be a fairly simple thing to do. You need to pop the windshield off. We've got the glove box that needs to come out of here, a couple of screws, and that'll get us at the back of the headlights. We've got the T25 is the size of the Torx driver we need to get these off. Having this on a ratchet would probably go a little bit quicker, but this works. Allows us to lift the gauge pod out of the way. Glove box comes out, and this brings us to the back of the headlights. So that is our low beam, and that is our high beam. And if you recall, we were down about here with the low beam when we first started. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the LED headlights that we had to fit into this machine. Supposedly they're the right size, but they don't fit into the housing. Probably need a slightly different model. Not a big deal. We've adjusted the headlights slightly, and the machine's not quite sitting in the exact same position as it was in the last part of the video. We moved it around, but you can see where the headlights are. Up here on the top of the headlight housing is an adjuster, and it has a hex head that you can use an Allen key on, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. And if you look very closely at the door in front of the machine, as I wiggle the screw up and down, you can see the headlights move up and down. And we've moved it up probably, I'm going to say, from the hot spot is right now, it's right here. It was down around about here. And by moving it up that little bit, we have extended the range of the headlights quite a bit. We'll shut that off before we gas ourselves. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this quick little video, and we'll catch you guys in the next mess.